Okay, check this out. I haven't seen one of these things since I was a little kid. This is a BMW Isetta 300. And at first, it looks like a three-wheeler the way it's set up, but it has four wheels. I mean, so look at the back. You think it's three-wheel because, of how small this thing is, but check it out. See? It's two wheels in the back, so it's a four-wheeler. This is a car, and that explains the regular license plate. And this thing is positively tiny. It's parked in the motorcycle section because it's small as a motorcycle. So it's a sunroof. It's a two-seater. I mean, you're gonna be pretty snug with your passenger there. But yeah, check it out. All it has is a speedometer, and that's it. That's it. Yeah. So you notice no doors, sliding windows, but no doors on this side, and no doors on that side. So how do you open this? Well, you open the front. That's right. The whole front opens up, and then you walk in. I mean, I wish the owner was here so he can open it. I want you to see this. The steering wheel comes out too, right? Yeah. So the steering wheel column is actually attached to the front door. So when you open the whole front, the steering wheel comes out as well. And yeah, like I said, I really wish the owner was here so I can open the door and show it to you. But this is the coolest thing. I mean, man, I would love to have one myself. I mean, but I'm not sure much I want to drive it on the road because I wouldn't feel safe in this thing. Yeah, there's no seat belts. Yeah, there's no seat belts, and I don't think this was made in an age where safety was a big concern for the automakers. But yeah, this is the BMW Isetta 300. Coolest little car I've ever seen.